Good morning, Trade Pros. Good morning, YouTube. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. I'm Fadi from the Trade Pro team in the Futures Room. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Let's get started today with some of the big news coming up from the US and the US stock market. The first thing we got is the leak from the U.S. official Secretary of Government. U.S. officials are scrambling to find the source of a major leak of classified documents, which included details on Ukraine's defense plans and intelligence and diplomatic allies. Those documents were actually leaked like a couple of days ago. Those were like around 100 documents that showed up on Discord first, surprisingly. U.S. officials said that the documents originated in the government, but some may have been altered. The documents were reported changed to understate the estimates of Russian casualties and overstate those of Ukrainian forces. While foreign allies of the U.S. are largely silent on the matter, the leak has ruffled feathers and is being closely watched. Of course, a lot of this leak information was regarding some members of the European Union as well. South Korea has spoken to the U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin about the incident, and Australia has sought further information to U.S. U.S. has definitely some work to do to rebuild the trust with its allies. So that's definitely something that headlining the news for today. And other news, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin has breached 30,000 for the first time since June 2022. That's like a huge rally on Bitcoin as well. For the first time in 10 months today, as investors are increasingly betting on the Federal Reserve ending its monetary policy. Obviously, this type of news will drive more upside, regardless, like crypto or equities. Ahead of the release of the key inflation data tomorrow, the CPI, some other cryptocurrencies are witnessing some upside as well. Ethereum up 3%, and yeah, that's big. I pretty much all the cryptocurrencies that I'm seeing are up on today's session. Another news coming out from Amazon. Amazon has instituted a new fee for some returns at UPS stores in order to compensate for the return costs. So basically, Amazon, like right now, if you're trying to return some stuff at their UPS store, some of these items that they listed on their website, they are going to charge a return fee for that. The company has been on a cost cutting spree, announcing layoffs close to 30,000 employees and halting construction of its second headquarters in Virginia. So that's definitely that's definitely a way for them to cut costs, and keep their profit margins as high as they are. So this news actually just came out today. I'm not sure if we're gonna see any changes in the stock price, or if that news is gonna impact anything. We'll keep a close eye on it and see what happens. Another news also that I found this interesting: Alibaba unveils Chat GPT-like service integrated across all products. So I think that will move that stock. Alibaba has been very volatile lately, as well as something else also that I've seen. Hexo Syncs, symbol HEXO, as Tilray Brands, TLRY, confirms acquisition at a 25% discount. Huge discount from Tilray. So keep close eye on these names. I think they see some volatility today, considering that this news just came out. We don't have really a lot in terms of the economical calendar today. No news or anything. So I think we see a quiet day in the market today as far as the S&P. We might see a day just like yesterday, a choppy session, more sideways action. Yesterday, we kind of had like this rally towards the end of the day, carried on into the overnight. Probably see the same thing today. Low volume on the session. We're looking at 150,000 on the daily volume so far. Not expecting a ton of volatility. I think most people are just waiting on the CPI report tomorrow to initiate trading. Some levels that I'm watching for today, I like that 42 to 45. That's one key area. 41.42 to 41.45. I think that's a key area that's supposed to hold as a resistance. If you're looking for pullbacks in this market with the idea that we're gonna rally into CPI tomorrow, then 32, 33, that low or that breach resistance should hold as support. And those pretty much are the two key areas that I'm watching for today. If you're trading today, just keep in mind, like, we have CPI coming up tomorrow. We have a lot of news events. As far as earnings, you have bank earnings coming out on Friday. It might be just like another slow day in the market. So, preserve your capital, trade like a trade pro. If you guys want to learn more, follow us, check us out at Trade Pro Academy. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you guys in the live rooms.